In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Artistly for training materials in Artistly AI. Training materials are things like onboarding guides, workplace visuals, step-by-step instructions, and learning content that help people understand a process faster. First, decide what type of training content you want to create. This could be safety instructions, employee onboarding visuals, software tutorials, or educational step-by-step diagrams. Next, write a clear prompt that focuses on simplicity and clarity. For example, you could say step-by-step workplace safety illustration, training guide infographic, or employee onboarding visual in clean modern style. Make sure your visuals are easy to understand, with clear subjects, minimal distractions, and a structured layout so information is easy to follow. You can also use consistent characters or icons to represent roles, actions, or steps across multiple training images. After generating your images, use editing tools to refine text placement, improve clarity, and adjust visual hierarchy. Finally, upscale the image to make sure everything is sharp and readable for presentations, documents, or slides. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.